Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yams in a can. First, let's get those yams ready. Begin by carefully draining all the liquid from the can. Next, give them a good rinse under cold running water to wash away any residual syrup. Finally, gently pat them dry with a paper towel. This simple preparation ensures your yams are perfectly primed for deliciousness. For a quick stovetop method, melt about 2 tablespoons of butter or your preferred oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add your prepared yams and sauté them for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll want them to achieve a lovely, light golden brown color. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg for a warm, inviting flavor. If you prefer baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the yams in a single layer in a baking dish. Now, for that sweet touch, drizzle them with about 1/4 cup of maple syrup or a brown sugar mixture. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are thoroughly heated and have a beautiful, slightly caramelized glaze. Your delicious canned yams are now ready to enjoy. They make a fantastic side dish for roasted meats or poultry. For a creamier texture, mash them with a fork, adding a touch of butter and brown sugar. You can also incorporate them into casseroles or pies for a delightful sweet and savory element. Remember to store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.